Hey, Brian from Garage Wall Hall. I have an amazing product for you to check out, so let's go.
Okay, so if you're looking for something to dress up your sink area around your faucet, this two-piece place set you just basically put right into place right around your faucet, and gives it a nice cleaner look. And that way you can kind of put your different soaps and stuff up here, make it a little more organized, little brush there, so it gives a nice cleaner look to your sink area. Anyway, and it's quick drying too, so if you get some like water on there, it's pretty porous, and you can see how that kind of like dries up really fast, absorbs it in, so it gives it that nice clean dry look. Like, that's pretty amazing. And we had another drip mark here from the faucet, so pretty cool. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.